Hey guys, it's time for yet another coffee syrup roundup. I've been saying I was going to do a vanilla roundup with French vanilla and all the different winners of the previous vanilla tests because there's no need for me to have a half dozen or more different vanillas. Like, they can't possibly be that different. So, we have the ones that have scored favorably in the past. We have the Torani Puremade vanilla, Torani French vanilla, DaVinci vanilla, and my reigning champion, previous favorite, which you can tell by how depleted it is, Monin French vanilla. So, let's go make some lattes. Okay, so this is the biggest vanilla roundup yet. We have Torani French vanilla, Monin French vanilla, which were basically tied in the French vanilla roundup. We have Monin vanilla and DaVinci vanilla, which were basically tied in the vanilla roundup. And then we have Torani Puremade vanilla, which kind of won the specialty vanilla roundup. The specialty vanilla roundup was a little different. There was it was my favorite out of that roundup. Let's just put it that way. So let's make some lattes. Okay, moment of truth. Torani French vanilla. Could use a little more. Monin French vanilla is definitely sweeter. Monin regular vanilla is surprisingly less potent than the French vanilla. That's the least potent, but also the smoothest, if that makes sense. Okay, we definitely need another spoonful. Okay, let's try them. Good, unremarkable. Lot sweeter. Very little difference in the Monin vanilla and French vanilla. I think I'd give the edge to the French vanilla, but it's very neck and neck. Okay, so the big takeaway, you definitely don't need 5 different types of vanilla. I think if I were buying right now, if I was sampling to buy, I would buy 2. I would buy the Monin French vanilla and the Torani Puremade vanilla. On the one hand, they're 2 of the sweetest. On the other hand, DaVinci's out. Monin regular vanilla's out. Torani French vanilla is cool, but it's maybe I poured a little less than that one because it doesn't taste as strong, both in terms of sweetness or in terms of No, it's just the flavor of it. Yeah. So these are less sweet. But the vanilla flavor isn't that crazy strong either. Nah, I don't really like the Monin vanilla compared to these other ones. That's my favorite. That's my second favorite. That's my third favorite. Like I said, I think I'm gonna just start buying the Torani Puremade stuff. It really does seem to be head and shoulders above overall. Like, I haven't tasted anything from that line that's been bad. Whereas some of Torani stuff I like, some I don't. Most of DaVinci's I don't, some I do. This was probably the best of the DaVinci stuff, was just the regular vanilla. Okay. Thanks for watching.